I need to talk about Main Wapas Aaunga. I just watched it and now I know why people are so emotional about this movie. But before I get into the review, I want to say one thing, that if you walk into the theater blindly without knowing who made this movie, you would still know that it is an Imtiaz Ali movie. Nobody tells the story quite like him. And it's not like the movie is served on a plate to you. It's filled with metaphors, memories, emotions, and all these pieces come together as the movie progresses and turns it into this masterpiece called Main Wapas Aaunga. So in the center of the movie, there's Nirvair, played by Diljit Dosanjh. He's an NRI who lives in London, doesn't really know where he belongs. He runs away from commitment, quits everything, and doesn't know what he's doing with his life. He gets a call from his father that his grandfather, played by Naseeruddin Shah, is on his deathbed. And he comes back to India to pay one final visit and then leave again. But then his grandfather starts mumbling and talking a little, and that's where he starts getting, pulled into the story, and that's how the movie begins. And what I loved about the movie is not just the story, but the way the story is told. The cinematography is beautiful, the storytelling is beautiful, the performances are beautiful. Now we know that Naseeruddin Shah is a phenomenal actor. Obviously, he's a legendary actor now, and now Diljit Dosanjh has already proved his acting skills again and again. But Vedang Raina stood out for me. You can see the potential in him. You can see the future star in him. And what amazed me was every actor in this movie understood the kind of story they are telling, and they completely nailed it with their performances. The movie was so good in every aspect. So now I know a lot of people will walk into this movie expecting enmity, hatred, partition, conflict, history. But I took away something very different from this movie. This movie is genuinely all about love. It's that first love you never forget kind of love story. It's that love you have for friendship, the love for brotherhood, the love for place where you belong, the love for your country, all sort of love. And even when the film talks about division, it's actually talking about the connection. And that's what actually stayed with me throughout this movie. Every emotion will hit you like a storm and, just hold you there. And while you process all these emotions, you will already be in love with this movie. And the last 30 minutes of this movie, what everybody is talking about, is actually a very difficult watch. It's an emotional roller coaster, and it is very difficult to watch through it without bawling your eyes out. But something that pisses me off right now is that such a shame that these movies struggle in theaters when they are out. Now, Imtiaz Ali is right in saying that you guys don't watch my movies when they are released, and years later from now, you make them into masterpieces and cult classics like Tamasha and Rockstar and Laila Majnu. And it's too late by then. So if you're wondering whether Main Wapas Aaunga is worth watching or not, then answer is yes. Go watch it in the theater. It's a good watch. It's an emotional roller coaster. So definitely give it a try if that is your genre. Sit with it, feel it, and let it unfold the way it's meant to. So yeah, this was my honest opinion on Main Wapas Aaunga. And if you're still waiting around for Euphoria or Maan Bahan, then I promise I will review it soon. Until then, happy binge watch.